Hi, I'm Mandy, and this is Visa in 3.
Let's start with this. Where are banks most exposed today when it comes to A2A fraud?
At the moment, the biggest challenge we're facing is with authorized push payment scams or APP scams, and this is effectively where a fraudster is convincing a consumer to send them money. Almost 1 in 3 consumers in the UK have experienced this, and the challenge is that because faster payments settle so quickly, almost instantly, it's very hard for the bank to intervene and create any friction or potentially stop that transaction. And the impacts are detrimental both to the consumer and to the bank. We see that across Europe, the values are at a staggering 1.13 billion euros of losses. And the challenge being that with generative AI tools, which can be very beneficial in many use cases, fraudsters are using them to become more convincing and to scale their fraud activities.
What does moving from a reactive to a proactive fraud strategy really mean for banks?
It means not chasing the fraud after it's happened, but catching it and detecting it before it happens in the first place. Traditional methods of catching fraud and preventing fraud are no longer working with the sophistication that we're seeing from fraudsters in the AI space. So as an industry, we need to come together and really power fraud prevention and detection with AI. It needs to be the cornerstone of every bank strategy when it comes to the future and to today.
How is Visa helping banks build fraud defences that work across different markets?
So fraud looks different across the UK, Spain, France, but we need to make sure that we leave no stone unturned, and we do that with the use of our global network and reach and expertise. We bring AI-powered tools in a single scalable interface to our banks to be able to help them prevent fraud and detect it before it happens. And it's working. In pilots, Visa's AI tools detected 54% of fraud that had previously been missed by banks, which is really powerful and beneficial for the future of fraud prevention.